I'm glad to be here today, being the fact that I'm the custodian of culture and tradition. So being here today, I came to make a good addition by making the event to be colorful and to reinforce what Chief Laji Abbas has been saying. I know quite alright that he's been saying the real story, history. Is making the history going in the right direction without putting any blemishes of falsehood or whatever. So I'm glad to be here today, and I strongly believe that what he's doing is the best for the entire Yoruba. Thank you very much.